How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, making another cooking video, and tonight I'll be doing something a little special. It's a fall salad topped with some grilled chicken that I'm going to make right here on the campfire, and some butternut squash, grilled avocado, and Brussels sprouts that I'm going to sear in my iron skillet down in the coals of the fire. So I'm going to go ahead and go inside and prep all the ingredients, and you guys can watch along. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos if you want after this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prep up the veggies here. I actually already pre-cut up the butternut squash, and I went ahead and steamed it as well, so it's already partially cooked. All I did was peel the outside layer off, then cut it right down the middle, scooped out the pulp that was in the bottom part here in the circle, and then cut it into lengthwise cuts, and then cut that right in half. So all I have to do is just sit these right on the grill them on each side, get it to the desired color I'm looking for, and then I'll go ahead and then I went ahead and pre-seasoned my Brussels sprouts as well, and all I got to do is just dump them right in my iron skillet that's nice and hot out on the fire. But basically just going to go ahead and cut up my avocado here, cut it right in half. And then I'm going to take it out of the skin, and that way I can just place it right on the grill with some oil and salt and pepper. And I'm also going to be adding some onion to the salad, so I'll go ahead and slice that up as well. Alright, so I got all my ingredients prepped here. Avocado sliced, Brussels seasoned, butternut squash seasoned and oiled. Just going to do some oil and salt and pepper on the chicken tenders, and we're going to get all this out on the grill. Okay, so I got my grates on the fire pit here. From my last video, I actually raised up the sides of the pit here. That way I could actually get my grates a little bit higher, because I was having some trouble with the food actually getting too close to the flames, and I was getting a lot of flare-up. So I went ahead and built myself the walls a little bit higher for these grates, and I got my iron skillet down in the coals over here, getting nice and hot and ready to go. Then I got my other grate here if I need this extra space down here on the bottom. I just want to get grill marks on it and get that nice smoky flavor. Pan's nice and hot and ready to go. Squash is on the top rack, and Brussels sprouts are down here in the iron skillet, getting a nice pan sear to them. You can see I got my nice red hot coals down in here, which is perfect for what you need for cooking on the iron skillet, to get it nice and hot and get a nice sear on whatever food it is you have on there. So one of the things you'll learn when you're cooking outside on these campfires like this, especially ones at campgrounds that just have the fire ring, I have to constantly be adjusting it to be able to get it to where it is you need your heat to be, right? Because the hot spots change as the fire goes on, right? So as of right now, I have my Brussels down here getting nice color on them in the iron skillet, but they're in the hottest part of the fire because they're down here right on the coals. And then I have my chicken, which needs high heat, especially these smaller pieces, to get a nice color on them so that they cook all the way through and get a charredness to them. And then my par cooked squash up here really just needed some grill marks, so all I need is somewhat of the lower heat, so I have it up here on the third tier and getting some nice grill marks on them. And as you can see, all that smoke coming up through there and flavoring all this food as it goes. But yeah, stuff's a lot of fun when you get the hang of it. So everything came out off the grill looking really nice. As you can see, the grill marks, and it's got a very nice smoky flavor to it. Chicken's really good. I'm really impressed with the avocado. Came out very nice. This is all going to be cut up and actually put on a salad. But I thought I'd just show everybody the finished product. Brussels with really nice crispy skins out of the iron skillet here. But yeah, a whole fall themed meal here off of the campfire, and as you can see, turned out amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on a bed of mixed greens and enjoy for the night. Well, that was my cooking video for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed. As always, the ingredients will be in the description below and the procedure on how I put it together. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you around the next campfire. Have a good night, everybody.